the benefit of UMW programs to students. Number one, we are looking at the learning experience. Lecturers here will expose the students based on case study analysis. Now, what is the benefit of case study analysis? Students are encouraged to do critical thinking. And what is the benefits of critical thinking? We are teaching them how to do problem-solving skills. And when they solve this problem, we encourage them to do presentation. So from here, after the presentation skill, how can they apply this to their job? Students from UMW are all from different industry and business unit. So in class, we ensure there's interactive participation. So when there is interactive participation, how can the company benefit from this? Number one, we are teaching students problem-solving skills. These problem-solving skills enable students to develop critical thinking. And when they do critical thinking, they need to have justification. And where does the justification come from? Number one, industrial reports and academic references. So the students can take this through to the company. And when they're able to take this through to the company, they're able to prepare good report for the management, for the customers. Number two, we are looking into how we encourage students to mix. Because students from UMW come from different SBUs. So they share a lot of experiences and also challenges in the industry. Now, once they share these experiences, what we want them to look from a product perspective. How can these challenges enhance innovation, creativity of the product? And when you have that, what are your pricing strategies that you have to look at? So these are all taught in class through interaction to case study. Now, my experience from previous cohorts from UMW. Number one, the students are very active in class participation. They shared a lot of their working experiences. And how do they do it? Not individually, but actually by group discussion. So when they do group discussion, we actually encourage them to do brainstorming sessions. And brainstorming session requires students to again do research. And when they do research from this angle, they are looking into the growth potential of the industry. What does this mean? Is the industry at an intro stage? If at intro, what sort of strategies that we are looking at? If it's at growth, what are we looking at? And matured, what should the company do? And all this ties down to two things: profit and market share, which is very important for any companies. Customers. Okay, we also teach customer on how they should focus on two areas. Number one is current and existing. And we know when we talk about current, we are always focusing on profit margin. But that's not what business is all about. Business is looking into sustainability. So we teach students to look into existing customer, how to grow their market share. So these are all taught in class. And number two, we are looking into competitors. Competitors, we are looking into the challenges in the industry as well as the importance of being creative and innovative in their job processes. So that is the benefit of this program to UMW students. Thank you.